it's Andrea with Beautiful Promise Jewelry, and today for our installment of I Thought You'd Like to Know, we are going to look at how to set up a profile on my website and how to shop for fashion fix and new releases through my website.
To get started, it's very easy. You're going to open up a mobile browser in your mobile device and go to paparazziaccessories.com and click on the login button in the upper right hand corner. When you do that, you will come to a sign-in landing page. If you scroll down just a little bit, you'll have the option to click on a button that says Create a Paparazzi account. You'll want to fill in your data here. Make sure that you use a valid email address and a valid physical address, because that is where your order is going to be shipped to, and all notifications for your order will be sent to that email. Once you get through with that, you will be prompted to select your consultant. To do that, you will click the box. You will click on the second option, consultant's name, and input Andrea for the first name, Warren for the second. At that point, it will bring up a thumbnail of my account. I encourage you to click that, and it will take you to the next place where you will be able to read my bio and ultimately select me as your consultant. I want to thank you very much for trusting me to help you with your jewelry needs. After that, you are going to come to a page where you can either shop, you can join a party, or you can join my team. As you see at the top, you can swipe right and left to select different categories to shop from. Today, we're going to be looking at March Fashion Fix. When you click that, you will see all of the Fashion Fix sets together. If you click on one of those, you will be able to see every single piece that is in each complete set. If you were to add this to your cart, you will have all 4 sets of the look added to your cart for a total of $20. As you can also see on this one, it will give you a countdown to when these pieces are available. For Central Standard Time, it is the 4th of the month at 11 p.m. If you choose to scroll down further on the page, you will be able to look at each individual piece on their own. If you click on it, you'll be able to see it in detail and get a verbal cue as to what the set looks like. Alternatively, you can use your finger and click on the picture and it will zoom in so you can see it in better detail. Now, if you scroll down just a little bit more, you'll be able to see that you are on the individual piece page because it's only $5. You'll also be able to see the time countdown until it's ready. Scroll a little bit further and you'll be able to add the whole set to your cart from right there. Scroll just a little bit further and you'll be able to see some suggested purchases from others who were interested in that same set. Alternatively, you can go back up to the top where you can swipe right and left and you can select new releases. New releases come every single day at 2 o'clock Central Time, Monday through Friday.
See? That wasn't so hard, was it? Go ahead and set up your account, and when you do that, come back here and check in. I'd love to know that you've done that. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.